I bought and tested two of Amazon's most popular body scrubbers. I was sick of using a loofah. These are so much better. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one. You can see there's some differences right off the bat, but they do have a lot of similarities. So I'm going to go through both of them, pretty much cover any question you could possibly have, and give you kind of the pros and cons and tell you which one would be a better fit for you. This one right over here is the TOOLETRIES body scrubber. And this one right over here is by VWMYQ. Don't know how to pronounce that. So let's go over this one first right over here. So let's take a closer look. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. It's 2.7 by 2.7 inches. So very small, compact. We got a nice little handle right over here. So you could put a little string through that if you wanted to, or if you had a hook in the shower, you could put it on that. We have a nice little grip over here. I do like the fact that this has this grip. It makes it really easy to hold. So this is good for your face. It's good for all different skin types as well. This also could double as a body scrubber as well. So you could really, this is tend to use more just like kind of on my face. And we'll kind of go over the other one as well. You got a nice little bristles right over here. It kind of acts as exfoliation as well. You got the non-slip grip over here, and it only weighs 2.4 ounces, which is really nice. Easy to travel with, throw in a gym bag. Doesn't take up a lot of space, and the nice part about this is it dries really quickly. So unlike a kind of like a traditional loofah, kind of the water kind of like hangs out on there and it gets kind of gross. This does not do that. Let's take a quick look here at the toiletry one. So this one obviously is a little bigger. We'll get into the comparisons in a second. This one has the back right over here, so you have that nice ergonomic grip. You get all around. You could use this on your face. It's good for all types of skin. You don't have to worry about that. This one has a handle right over, or a little hook right over here, so you could hang that on there. And we also have this port right over here. The cool part about this is it is a suction cup. So you could push that down just like this, and then it's going to stick. So you could stick this on the shower wall if you wanted to, or wherever you wanted to stick it, which is really nice. If you don't have a hook in your shower, you don't want to get a string for this, you could literally just stick this anywhere on the wall. This is obviously, this one is much bigger. This is about 5 inches by 4.5 inches. Same type of I don't know what you call this, like grippiness material over here. Feels really, really nice. I mean, this definitely gives you a deep clean for sure, and it lathers really well. That is the cool part about both of these things. If you ever use a loofah, you need a lot of soap to actually get the loofah soapy. With these right here, you kind of don't need that much soap at all. You really just need a drop or two and you're good to go. It will get really nice. Now, let's take a kind of some comparisons with these. So, I say this one right over here. I actually use, so this is how I use both of them. I use this one mainly for my face and this one for my body. I just like to keep it separate like that. So, that's how I use these. Now, the main differences between them, obviously, this one right over here, the VWMYX, is much smaller, and that's kind of why I like to use it for my face. This one right over here, obviously much bigger. The biggest difference about these two, this one has a suction cup that you could stick onto the wall or any surface really. This one does not. This one probably travels better just because it's smaller, easier to fit. This one still does travel well, but obviously it's a little bigger. You really can't go wrong with either one of these. Like I said, I use this one for my body, this one for my face. If you're looking, you could kind of make that decision for yourself. If you need something that sticks to the wall, this will be the one for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I hope you find the perfect body scrubber for you.